Baking pork chops to perfection.
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic in the world of cooking: getting the right internal temperature for your pork chops. When baking at 350 degrees, it's crucial to ensure that your pork reaches the right internal temperature to ensure both safety and flavor.
What is the ideal internal temperature for pork?
The United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, recommends that pork should be cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. This temperature ensures that the pork is safe to eat, while also preserving its juiciness and flavor.
How do you measure the internal temperature?
To accurately measure the internal temperature of your pork chops, you'll need a meat thermometer. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the chop without touching any bone. The temperature should read 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius.
What about resting time?
Once your pork chops have reached the ideal temperature, it's important to let them rest for at least 3 minutes before you slice into them. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the chop, resulting in a more flavorful and juicy pork chop. So, when baking pork chops at 350 degrees, remember to make sure they reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to let them rest for a few minutes before serving. We hope this video has been helpful and enhances your culinary experience. Happy cooking!